on this cabinet. It was made by a father for his daughter over 100 years ago. He made it for her when she was in her 20s. She was married, and it was to go on top of her kitchen countertop to give her more cabinet space. You can see here it has a lot of just speckled paint and wear and tear on the top. But he handmade this for her, and then she passed it on to her daughter. And her daughter is in her late 70s, and she's needing to downsize and go to a smaller place. And so no one in her family felt like they could use this, and so she offered it to me. And it was a drive, but I thought, how can I let something that was made with such love and passed down, through the years, go to the trash or just to someone who wouldn't appreciate it. So I debated on whether I was just going to try to sand it down and restain it and keep it as its original look. But I have decided I'm going to paint it, and I'm going to add some legs to it to give it some height, and just try to bring some beauty to it that will allow someone else to enjoy it for many years to come. And then down the line, someone else can have the chance to refinish it, restyle it the way that they see fit for their needs, so that this gets continued use. So I'm excited to get started.